Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well during this pandemic by taking good care of yourself, by staying at home and by following all the precautions which are required. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some ideas, some tips to stay away from this coronavirus. I have tried to combine everything which we can do these days to protect ourselves from coronavirus. But my focus is just not to stay away from corona, but also from any kind of seasonal flu. Because if we caught by any kind of seasonal flu, we will definitely end up going to the hospitals. So I'm trying to stay away from any kind of medicines. So friends, in today's video, I'll share with you some hygiene related stuff, cleaning process and some immunity booster drink as well. I know many people will think, what are these things, why we need to do all that, but I don't think this is the time when we should think like that. I think right now we should be more careful towards our family and loved ones, so we can just try our best to stay away from it. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So friends, I'm starting this video with hand wash, which we all are doing a lot these days. I'm also doing it quite frequently. We should make sure that we are doing it in a proper manner, and we should at least spend 20 to 30 seconds while doing it. I also make sure that I am not only doing frequent hand wash but also changing my hand towel frequently, because there is no benefit of doing hand wash if your hand towel is not clean. So every day before going to the bed, I change my hand towel so that next morning I'm having clean and dry towel to use. So friends, now I'll share with you some very basic immunity booster drinks. When you'll see them, you will realize that they are actually very basic and they will hardly take any effort. If you can drink them on regular basis, you can stay away from many seasonal flu. So let's check them out. So guys, I'm taking hot lemon honey as my first drink in the morning these days. It takes hardly any effort. So there is a glass half filled with cold water. So I'm squeezing half lemon in it. Lemon is a very good source of vitamin C, and we all know that vitamin C is a very good immunity booster. It helps cure seasonal flu and throat infections. Now I'll add 1 spoonful of honey in it. Honey contains high amount of antioxidants which are helpful in fighting with antibacterial, antifungal infections, and it also helps to soothe our sore throat. So now I've added very hot water in it. Then I'm mixing it well, and once it is mixed, my morning drink is ready. So friends, my next drink in the afternoon is ginger honey. As we all know that it is suggested in COVID-19 infection that we should drink plenty of hot or warm water. But it's summertime and I found it really hard to drink that often. So I thought, let's add some good ingredient in it and make it more tasteful and more worth for our immune system. So here I have tamped down the ginger already and added 1 spoonful of honey. Then I'm adding some hot water in it, and my drink is almost ready. But if you like more stronger taste of ginger, then you can just boil the ginger in water first, and then you can strain it with a sieve later. I simply strain it from one glass to another. So friends, my evening drink is our regular desi milk tea, which is favorite of most of the Indians. I'm adding some cinnamon stick and basil leaves in it, and I'm turning it into a very healthy drink. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties and it is very high in antioxidants. Similarly, basil leaves comes in use as a herbal medicine to treat cough, cold and flu. And the best part is, Indian loves tea as a wake up drink, welcome drink, time pass drinks, and for many other reasons. So why not as an immunity booster this time? So my fourth immunity booster drink is turmeric milk. Milk itself contains a lot of health benefit, but once you add a pinch of turmeric in it, it becomes a super healthy combination. This combination helps our body to fight with antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal infections. So don't forget to include this in your routine. So friends, now I'll share with you how I clean my fruits and vegetables, as we are going to consume them. So I have very different way to clean them or wash them. So it won't take much from your pocket. The cleaning stuff you can easily find in your kitchen pantry. So let's check this, how I'm cleaning my fruits, and I do the same procedure for vegetables. So to clean fruits, I'm having a clean pan here with some cold water in it. Then I'm adding 1 spoon of regular salt. After that, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda in it. So as you can see, I'm using a very big pan or tub to clean fruits, because my father usually buy fruits and veggies for a week. So for about 5 kg fruit, you need that much quantity of soda and salt. Just giving you an idea about the quantity. Then I'm adding some warm water in it. Make sure you're not using hot water for this because it can damage the skin of your fruits and vegetables. Now I'll take out the fruits from the bag, then I will throw those bags, and after that I'll go and wash my hands first. After throwing those back and washing my hands, I'll give those fruits a gentle rub to clear out any sticky residue. So after this, I will leave them here for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'll take the fruits out from that soda salt water. Then I'm going to dip them in another bucket which is filled with clean water, just to double rinse them. If you like, you can again clean them under the running water. Once I've finished doing it, I will not throw that soda salt water because bananas are left there. But I will not soak bananas for more than 2-3 minutes because they get bad really fast. And anyhow, we're going to peel them completely before consuming, so that's okay. So all the fruits are completely clean now. I'm going to take them out one by one in this basket. Soda and salt helps to remove pesticides and germs from the fruits and veggies. So after these fruits, I'll just do the same thing with banana, and then I'll leave them for a day. And now I'll go to wash my hands again. So friends, now I'll share with you how I clean all those stuff which comes from outside, no matter it's delivery packages or those things which we buy. But first I'll share with you those disinfectant I'm using to clean them. Maybe you guys will think why I'm having so many disinfectant, but I just wanted to try them out. You can just go for any 2 of them and you're totally sorted. So friends, I'm using these 4 disinfectant to sanitize everything which comes from outside, no matter it's delivery packages or those stuff which we buy, or maybe our keys, our vehicles, or our door locks and gate handles. Everything we are cleaning these days. So the first one is Dettol. We all know about it. We also use it sometime for medical purpose. It's antiseptic disinfectant, but for cleaning purpose I use it in diluted form. I just mix it with water in 50-50 ratio, and then I clean and wipe things with it. So friends, to make that solution, you need to take any empty spare bottle from your house. Just clean that bottle first. Spray bottles are the best option, but I was just having this, so I prefer to reuse it. So I use this solution to clean my delivery packages and those goods which we buy from market. Usually I don't prefer to clean the carton, so whenever any delivery comes, I just take out the stuff from the carton and throw that carton away immediately. So here I took a microfiber cloth, then I'm pouring some solution on it to make it little damp. Then I'll wipe everything with it. So we do the same process for other household items and groceries which comes in a packet, and whoever is available will do that. It's not one person's duty to do it. Make sure that you're also cleaning your vehicles because they're also getting germs when you're going out in them, and later your children can touch it while playing, so it's better to clean them immediately. So the next disinfectant I'm using is the fabric bleach or household bleach, which contains sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite provides excellent germ killing performance against all kind of germs, bacteria, viruses. Make sure that you're using it very safely. Never mix it with any other chemical or disinfectant. It can be very dangerous. And while using it, you just need to take a very small amount of it, then you can dilute it with the water. Like you can take 10 to 15 ml bleach for about 5 liter water, and then you can use it for mopping, for wiping things out, to clean your gate and the area nearby your gate. You can also wear gloves while using it, as many people are allergic to chemicals and disinfectant. So the third disinfectant I'm using is this Savlon Surface Disinfectant, which is in spray form. One of my friends suggested this to me. It has very pleasant smell and it is very easy to use. It claims that it can kill a wide range of bacteria, germs and viruses, and you can use it on surfaces like your kitchen countertops, your furniture, your door handles and locks and floor as well. So another disinfectant I'm using is this Spray Safe from Skin Organ. This one is my favorite one because it works on the most of the surfaces and it also has very nice fragrance. So while using it, you just need to spray it on the surface, then wait for 10 seconds and then wipe that out. So it's pretty quick process. The best part is you can spray it on your phone, your door locks, your keys, your vehicles, your furniture, delivery packages, basically everywhere. So this one alone is a very multi-way disinfectant. It comes in a very good quantity and it's all liquid, not a gas spray like the Savlon one. Friends, that kind of cleaning and those disinfectant I'm just using these days just to clean those stuff. For our other household cleaning, we are just going as regular as we used to go before. So these days, one thing we must keep in our minds, if anybody visits to our house, no matter electrician, plumber, delivery guy, we must wear a mask while talking to them and while taking anything from them. Many people are also wearing gloves while taking any delivery packages, but I feel like I'm at home. I can instantly wash my hands, so I don't need to worry about gloves. Also these days I am not going outside at all if it is not urgent. I'm not meeting to anyone, I'm not going to buy anything, I'm not visiting salon. Even I gave haircut to my son several times, also to my father. I'm not going outside for any grooming related purpose because in that way you're going to get touched by someone and you can get infected. So it's better to stay away from all these things. I'm doing everything by myself at home. But yes, if it is urgent, we have to go outside. And that time we know what safety precautions we have to take. Wear gloves, mask and glasses as well. Must have sanitizer with you. Don't touch your face and don't touch your mask. And another thing is that these days we are not going anywhere, so we are not walking much, we are not doing some works which we used to do outside. So just to maintain the functionality of body, I am doing some kind of exercise, some household work, some yoga, as you can see. Honestly, I am not a good workout person. I have tried yoga many times before, but I have never been regular to it. But this time I'm trying my best to be as regular as I can. I'm doing those yogas which are more related to respiratory system. Then I'm also doing some yogas which removes stiffness from our body parts. My body is not stiff, but I am worried that lack of work can make it like that. So showing few of them here which I was doing with my son. So by today's video, I just tried to share some info, some precautions which can help us in this pandemic. But I didn't want it to create any panic or spread any fear. This virus is highly contagious, but if we can improve our immunity, we can fight with this or any other infection as well. So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do so, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it now. Press that red button below. And if you have any suggestions, please write it in the comment section. If you want to know about any product, I have given the link below in the description box. You can check there. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.